Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be showing you how I made this fabric face mask that ties in the back. It's comfortable to wear, it doesn't hurt your ears or anything. So first you're going to need some cotton material. You'll cut your first square at 11 by 9 inches and your second one at 9.5 by 8.5 inches. Take your larger piece and put the design face down on the table. Take your smaller piece and place it with the design face up. The two longer ends are your top and bottom. So you're going to take, and you don't have to iron it if you do not want to, but so that you don't have a raw edge, we're going to make a little fold. You can either sew or hot glue the top hem down. So I'm using Gorilla Glue, hot glue. Just be careful when you're using hot glue. And just be very careful. You might want to use some finger guards for this. Same on the bottom. And just let it dry. And then on the sides, you'll want to leave a space because we're going to be threading some ribbon through. So don't glue it shut. Leave a space so that we can add ribbon. You can either hot glue or sew the sides down if you would like. Just remember, on the left and right side of the face mask, we will be adding string, so just make sure you leave that opening. When my daughter was younger, I used to sew her pillowcase dresses, so this is very similar to how you make the pillowcase dresses. It's easier for me to take the ribbon and tape it onto a straw, and then take the straw and just thread it through the left side, the opening that you left, and the ribbon usually follows the straw right through the hole and pulls out on the other side. Just make sure you leave the ribbon long enough because you'll be tying it at the back of your head. Same thing on the right side. Leave your ribbon long enough because you'll be tying the ribbon on the back of your head also. The top two strings will go just above your ears and tie the back of your head. The bottom two strings will go just below your ears and tie the back of your head, and you can kind of adjust it on the sides. It will move and adjust and kind of gather together to make it more comfortable for your face. You could use paracord or shoelaces instead of the ribbon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful night and stay safe.